My name's Laura McGregor. I'm the assistant head teacher here at Keelman's Way School. I've been here for 10 years. I teach the Year 6 class. I am in charge of the literacy curriculum as well as the primary curriculum. So Keelman's Way School was built in 2012. It was 2 schools that amalgamated, and we've got this wonderful state-of-the-art building with lots of fantastic resources. We've got the cookery room, our communal library areas. We've got lots of therapeutic services in schools, such as our sensory room. We've got our pool, which has been a massive support to all of our pupils in terms of their swimming development and also their hydrotherapy needs. It's been a fantastic resource that's actually used by children who don't attend school as well, so it's a real community base. About 12 months ago we decided that we really needed to sort of reduce our energy output, and we decided that solar panels would really benefit our sort of commitment to greener energy really, and already trying to track how we can reduce our energy output. The installation of the panels went really smoothly. Most of the work was done out of school hours, so over weekends and over school holidays. The workforce were really polite, really respectful, basically kept themselves to themselves, which was excellent. In terms of deliveries, very aware of the school day and didn't really impact at all. In terms of our curriculum in school, we're always looking at ways to open the children's minds to the bigger picture, and we know that obviously having lots of discussions about ecological responsibility is really important. We've already got eco-school status in school, but also how pupils can influence their own decisions at home. So we're really excited to see the difference that the solar panels are going to make. Oh, and the kids as well, they can't wait.